town is under attack! Look alive!
Finally, some action!
Yeah, let's...
You're, forgetting something.
Oh.
Honestly, I don't think this is a good idea.
Yeah, this blows.
Nonsense! A great warrior must have an even better mindset. Now, imagine your true self, somewhere familiar, but quiet.
Huh. Yeah, I think I can get into this. I mean, honestly, it's nothing different from my everyday, if I'm being honest.
I don't know if this is working.
Hey! How about thinking about the people you love?
Oh, I think that makes it worse.
Stop overthinking it, man. Just imagine them hot or something.